market. This will allow people's savings for their retirement to benefit from the long-term returns provided by equity markets in a growing economy, and at the same time provide capital required for funding the growth of listed companies. In this context, it is also important to recognize that our inclusion objectives will be met not necessarily by trying to increase the number of people who are directly trading on equity markets, but by improving access to markets through saving intermediaries like insurance companies, pension and provident funds, and mutual funds. Investing directly requires a level of awareness and ability that not all new entrants may possess. Even when they know how to invest their savings, the size of it. A major cause of the persistence of poverty in India is that people are vulnerable to financial shocks. These shocks could come from a family member falling sick, a crop failure, a business failure. Recent studies of poverty have shown that it is not enough to bring people out of poverty. It is equally important to find ways to prevent them from slipping back into poverty. Insurance and pension are key to improving people's ability to withstand, must and should be financed from domestic savings. As higher economic growth creates higher disposable incomes, our insurance and pension systems should mobilize these savings into productive investments. A lot of work has yet to be done in creating the institutional and regulatory infrastructure that